Good morning. In this lecture, we will discuss some problems based upon gas laws for IIT, JEE Main and NEET. So, पिछले लेक्चर्स में हमने पढ़ा डिटेल में बॉयल्स लॉ, चार्ल्स लॉ, ये-लुसिक्स लॉ एंड एवोगैड्रोस लॉ, ग्राफिकल प्रॉब्लम्स भी हमने डिस्कस की थी. तो अब इस लेक्चर में हम कुछ स्टैंडर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स करेंगे जेईई में नीट के लिए. और फर्स्ट प्रॉब्लम इज फ्रॉम एवोगैड्रोस लॉ. एवोगैड्रोस लॉ is V equal to K is given. We know that V is volume, K is that constant of proportionality, and N is number of moles. If volume occupied by 1 mole of gas at STP is 22.4 liter, then K is, and if we take 0.5 mole of gas under same condition of temperature and pressure. Now this is V equal to Kn given. What is K? K become equal to V by N. So first in the first line you can see the volume given is 22.4 liter and a value of N is 1. So when you divide it, the value of K become 22.4 liter per mole. Now second, what is given in the problem that if we take 0.5 mole, if we reduce the number of moles to 0.5, volume also reduced to 11.2 liter. Because in Avogadro's law we know that volume is directly proportional to number of moles. अगर हमने number of moles को 0.5 कर दिया तो उसका volume भी कितना हो जाएगा 11.2, हाफ हो जाएगा. तो अगेन K की वैल्यू क्या आ जाएगी वॉल्यूम बाय 0.5, अगेन इट विल बी 22.4 लीटर पर मोल. सो द आंसर फॉर फर्स्ट प्रॉब्लम इज हियर A. Second problem is 350 ml of sample of ammonia at 1 bar and 27 degree is absorbed by water to form 500 ml of solution. So we have to find the molar concentration. First of all is what is molar concentration means number of moles per liter. So by using the ideal gas equation PV equal to nRT, we will calculate N from here. PV upon RT. What is P? P is pressure, 1 bar is given. Temperature is 27 degree, it become your 300 Kelvin. Sorry, volume is here 350 ml. Put here dot, it become liter. This is your volume. In liter it become 0.350 liter. Why are you taking in liter? Because the unit of R is liter atmosphere per Kelvin per mole. R, the value of R we will use 0.082 liter ATM. ATM आप बार भी लिख सकते हो ATM की बजाय. बार पर Kelvin per mole means जो प्रेशर है वो बार में होगा, जो वॉल्यूम है वो लीटर में चाहिए. तो ये आपको 350 ml दिया, इसका लीटर हो जाता है 0.350. ये जो कैलकुलेशंस में अक्सर हम शॉर्टकट के लिए इसको 1/12 भी लिख सकते हैं, कैलकुलेशन फास्ट हो जाती है. 1/12 इक्वल टू 0.082. तो R की वैल्यू हम पुट करेंगे 1/12. टेम्परेचर है हमारा 300, तो ये कट जाता है 25 से. ओके, तो आप इसको अगर सॉल्व करोगे 350 नीचे क्या आ जाएगा 25000, तो कट गई एक 0, ऐसे बनेगा 30. तो ये आपका बन जाएगा 7/500. दिस विल बी 0.014. सो दिस इज नॉट द आंसर बिकॉज दीज आर द नंबर ऑफ मोल्स. Option D is given as 0.04 m means molar concentration. But these are the number of moles. Don't get confused here. These are the number of moles present in 500 ml solution. So if the volume is 500 ml, then the number of moles are 0.014. What will be the molar concentration, like moles per liter? It will be 0.5. 028. So B is the correct answer. Third problem is density of oxygen is 1.43 gram per liter at STP. Hence density at 0 degree Celsius and 800 torr is. So we will use the relation of density D is equal to, we know that D is equal to Pm by RT. From ideal gas equation हमने ये derive किया था. From here you can see that density is directly proportional to pressure and inversely proportional to temperature. So your formula becomes d2 by d1 equal to p2 by p1 because p के directly proportional है. Temperature हो जाएगा हमारा T1 by T2. Okay, density D2 we have to find. D1 is given, so you can put the value D2 by 1.43 equal to P2 is pressure that is 800 given. P1 pressure at STP that is equal to 760. Temperature T1 T2 T1 is at STP STP भी 273 होता है और T2 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस दिया है वो भी 273 हो गया. तो ये मिला के आपका 20 by 19 आ जाएगा. तो यहाँ से आप D2 निकालोगे 1/43 into 20 by 19. तो आंसर विल बी 1/15 gram per liter. So this is your answer. Option B is correct. Question number 4 is sample of gas at 0 degree Celsius and 1 atm pressure occupies 3 liter. What change in temperature? Now keep in mind we have to find change in temperature is necessary to adjust the pressure of that gas to 1.5 atm after it has been transferred to 2 liter container. So we will use this relation P1 V1 by T1 equal to P2 V2 by T2. P1 is 1 bar, okay, 1 atm, you can put the value here. Volume is 3. Temperature is 0 degree Celsius means 273. This will be equal to P2 is the 1.5 atm and volume is 2 liter. Temperature T2 is we have to find. So temperature become 273 Kelvin. It means there is no change in temperature is required. The answer is B. Problem number 5. A flask contains 12 gram of gas of relative molar mass 120 at a pressure of 100 atm was evacuated by mean of pump. Pump लगा के उसमें से जो उसको खाली कर दिया. Until the pressure was 0.01 atm, मतलब 100 atm था पहले, तो अब pressure है 0.01 atm. Which of the following is the best estimate of number of molecules left in the flask? Now, number of moles and pressure is given. We have to first make the relation between these two from that ideal gas equation. Ideal gas equation is PV equal to nRT. From here you can see that P is directly proportional to N. So you can derive a relation here like P1 N1 equal to P2 N2. From here we have to find the number of moles like N2. N2 will be equal to P2 by P1 into N1. What is P2? Final pressure is 0.01. This is given here. What is P1? Initial pressure is 100. What is N1? N1 is number of moles. Number of moles कैसे निकालेंगे? Mass is given, molar mass is given, तो mass divided by molar mass 0.1 आ जाएगा. So this become equal to 10 raised to minus 5. So these are number of moles. How to find the number of molecules? N into Na. When you multiply it by Na, like 6 into 10 is per 23, you will get this answer. So B is the correct option. Question number 6. A gas in an open container is heated from 27 degrees Celsius to 127 degrees Celsius. The fraction of original amount of gas remaining in the container will be. So here again from PV equal to nRT, the relation is that n is directly proportional to 1 by T or T inverse. So from here we can write N2 by N1 equal to T1 by T2. What is T1? T1 is 27 degrees Celsius, means it is 300 Kelvin, and T2 is 400 Kelvin. Just take the ratio. So this is 300 by 400, it will be 3 by 4. फ्रैक्शन ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स अगर N2 निकालना है तो N1 by 3 by 4, जितना N1 था उसका 3 by 4 फ्लास्क के अंदर बचेगा. तो ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट.